So guys, we're going to check our vegetable soup in a minute. Choose to go about it this way if you like. Here is our vegetable soup. See how delicious. Yeah. Welcome guys to this beautiful day. So today I'm making a beautiful soup recipe. I want to go about this soup in a very different way. You all know how we make the normal Nigerian Edikaikong soup from the Efik family. Yeah, but today I've decided to go about it in a different way. I'm going to be having some vegetables in this very soup recipe like tatashe and atarodo and so on, just to have a unique taste of this soup. It's one of my husband's favorite soup. He likes vegetable soup a lot. So for that reason, I want to go about it in a very beautiful way, which I know you're going to love. Come on, guys. Let's do this, okay? So I'm going to be using different type of protein. I like to have different type of protein in my soup. Here I have goat meat, beef tripe. We're going to be using cow feet. And I have some leftover meat, which I'm going to be adding to it also. Cook your meat until it's nice and tender. I'm going to divide this meat into 3 parts so I can use it for other recipes. So here are some of my protein. Usually when I cook a lot of protein, I just separate in different Ziploc bags and I keep them in the freezer so I can be able to use them for other recipes. This idea makes cooking very easy for me. So while my pot is set ready, I'm going to go ahead and clean my peppers. So guys, here are all the peppers. I'm going to blend all of this. I have ginger, I have garlic, I have red bell. I just added some from the freezer. Yeah, I'm going to be blending all of this onion, especially with vegetable soup. I love my onion. So I have some shallot and I have some yellow and red onion. These are all the peppers. I'll blend all of this together. All right. I think I have to do this behind the camera, guys, because nobody is here to help me. It's early in the morning. I just want to get this done with. I have a lot to do today and I'll be going to work and I have a couple of places to go to before I achieve that. So I just want to get it done so there'll be soup in the house. I'll blend this and I'll come back. So guys, I have added some oil to the pot. I'll allow it to toast for just 60 seconds. So we are done blending, guys. I'm going to add this to the pot right away. So to the oil, guys, I'm going to add some onion. I'll let it toast for 60 seconds. Add all the blended stuffs: onion, garlic, ginger, shallot. You can skip any of this. I like my soup rich with fresh vegetables. So guys, here is my shrimp. It's been marinating. I'm going to add it to it right away. Look at all that juice from the shrimp. It's going to come out so delicious. Let it cook until it is tender. I'm going to be adding my normal Maggi seasoning. Add whatever kind of Maggi you like to use. Okay, I like to use normal Maggi seasoning. I'm not going to add too much salt because I had gone ahead to marinate my shrimp with a little bit of salt and some Maggi. I have fish coming in and I've already marinated the fish, grilled it. I have some stockfish coming in, so you don't want to over salt your soup or whatever you're cooking. So guys, I like to add ogiri to this, so I'll add my ogiri. I just want that ogiri taste. Here guys, here are my homemade fish. This is so beautiful. I have a couple of homemade fish recipe on my channel. Go look it up. I like to make my own fish. I'm going to clean up this fish now and add to the soup. So here we're going to be adding our smoked fish. Trust me, this soup is going to carry weight. This Edikaikong soup will have some good weight. Look at that. Look at what we got all the amazing yori stockfish, all the amazing, so good. Guys, next is our oyster, guys. I love our mothers. Our mothers cook with so much pleasure. See, do you know this? You can go in with your snail or your oyster or your periwinkle for your Edikaikong soup. Look at that. Yeah. This soup is already speaking good languages. My husband is going to enjoy himself. Guys, you can do your vegetable soup whatever way you love to. Like I said, I love to go in with all the fresh vegetables. You can decide to do whatever to your vegetable soup. Okay? Yeah, I'm adding my meat. My husband likes it when it's very tender. Especially with beef tripe, cow feet, goat meat or chicken. He likes it very tender. So I'm going to add my crayfish. This is 2 cups of crayfish. Yeah, go ahead and add as much as you like. This is Edikaikong soup. This is another way you can make Edikaikong soup. Okay, so I've added 2 cups of crayfish. I'll close it up and I'll let it all come to a good boil. Add the vegetable and our soup is. So here is my vegetable ready to go in for my Edikaikong soup. So I'm using spinach and I'm using kale and collard green. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you where I added the vegetables. I was running late and I was getting called. I had to go and get myself ready. Here is our vegetable soup. See how delicious. All I did was just to add the vegetables. I used 3 different vegetables for this very recipe. Add your vegetables and soup is ready. See how delicious this soup is looking. With so many juice inside. Once your meat is prepped, your vegetables prep, your vegetable soup is easy to go. Guys, try this, you will love it. Our mothers, they cooked with so much love, passion, and patience. Unlike us these days, we want to be quick with everything we do. No, that is not how to go about some kind of soup. This type of soup take good, loving, patient. Like our mothers, when they cook to impress. They cook to make their family happy, especially their husband, children, relatives, friends and loved ones. See how delicious this soup is looking already, guys. This is so good. Oh wow, look at how tender the leaves are looking. I'm going to dish. Look at all the orishirishis. Can you see all the orishirishis? Oh my goodness. Hubby will enjoy and friends and loved ones will enjoy this soup. I went to the Efik people's land today from America. Isn't this beautiful? This is so good. Wow. Look at all that deliciousness. All the single ladies. Where are all of you? Come on, let's do this vegetable soup so you can do it for your husband to be. My husband will kiss me several times today for making his favorite soup. When I make this sort of deliciousness for him, I know how he feels about it, especially when it's off. He will just be speaking all those love languages. I'm ready to hear a lot of those love languages. And if you have watched this video till this moment, I want to say a very huge thank you. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Please help me to share these videos to your friends and loved ones. It's going to be very helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you're going to be pairing this vegetable soup with. This is so delicious, guys. We are pairing with pounded yam. Please give this video a massive thumbs up, guys. I did it like our mothers today. Let me know in the comment section if you love the way I went about this Edikaikong soup recipe. I have different version of Edikaikong on my channel. Go and look it up and you will love it. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Do me well to subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.